How to get cheap car insurance in Canada. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Did you know Canadians save on average 20 to 23% per year just by comparing car insurance quotes? It is quick and easy. You can get over 50 quotes in less than 3 minutes using sites like Low.ca. Just enter your postal code and click Get Started. Once you enter your postal code, you will see quotes from top Canadian providers like SEARCHABLE, Economical, and more. They all compete for your business and help you find the best rate for your profile. Now, some ways to lower your premium. Shopping around is key. Buying only the coverage you need, driving responsibly, and paying your bills on the time can save you money. Other great sites like Rates.ca also offer reliable quotes with good customer ratings. Here's a quick tip: bundling your car insurance with a home or motorcycle policy can lower your rates. Also, having safety features like window tinting or alarm helps. After comparing all the quotes, pick the best one for you, then secure the rate by contacting our licensed broker or agent. Not just a quote comparison site, that's it. Get your quote in under 3 minutes, compare the best deals, and save on your car insurance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.